Hello everyone, my name is Maggie and I'm a product marketer at Team-GPT. Today I'll show you how marketing teams can use project knowledge in Team-GPT to streamline their campaigns and ensure brand consistency. Each one of your marketing projects has its essential context, brand guidelines, campaign materials, and market research. It's the same when working on your projects with AI. Normally, you would need to give the AI the context it needs to generate relevant responses with every single chat. Not anymore. Now you have project knowledge inside Team-GPT. With project knowledge, you can add your materials to a project once, and Team-GPT will keep them in mind for every conversation within that project. You can also improve your AI interactions because the AI automatically references your project's knowledge base, providing more relevant and context-aware responses. Also, you can collaborate with your team because all team members within a project have access to the same information, ensuring everyone stays aligned. To access project knowledge, select the project from the left sidebar in Team-GPT. I'm going to select a marketing project. Once inside the project, click on the project knowledge button in the chat input field. And now let me show you how to set up project knowledge for a marketing team. First, let's add our marketing guidelines. I'm going to paste it. As you can see, I have outlined the brand voice and tone, brand elements, target audience, key messages, etc. I'm going to click on save. And now let's add a helpful link. I'm going to click on the plus button, paste the link, and you can see that the platform is scraping the information. I'm also going to add this link, which explains what Team-GPT is about. Great, I have my two links, and now I'm going to upload some helpful materials that I have. I'm going to upload our brand DNA, and I'm going to upload our style guide. Now let's see how this helps our AI conversations. I will ask the AI to draft a blog post about our latest feature. Using our content creation rules and marketing objectives from the guidelines, create a blog post, etc., etc. I'm clicking on enter. And as you can see, the AI creates content that perfectly aligns with our brand voice and guidelines. This means more consistent content, faster campaign execution, and better team alignment. That's project knowledge for marketing teams. Thank you for watching.